parading from the pages of their favorite books. Hilton and Island Early Childhood Center is celebrating a love for reading with a book parade. Each class marched around the front of the school, dressed up as characters from the books they've been reading.
I'm in Dragons Love Tacos, and my favorite part is when they burst out fire. I was Hacky the Penguin, and I liked because he did a cannonball in the water. The good egg, and then he left the store, and then he came back.
The book parade is an engaging activity that teachers hope will encourage the students to want to read even more.
Since reading is fundamental and something that they're going to have to do for the rest of their lives, we really have to get their interest. And being able to make a book come alive really just gets kids to be more engaged and more interested in reading and excited about reading.
In order to get kids into reading, they need to have a connection to the book, and this gives them ownership of the book and allows them to have fun as the character.
They just love to listen to stories, they love to be involved, and using puppets or using costumes and celebrating the reading is what it's all about. And the more you get them involved, I think the better it is, and the more they want to do it. And at this age it's learning to read, but when they get to the upper grade levels, then it's reading to learn, and that's so important, carrying that all the way through their school.
Parents cheered as students paraded by, waving and walking through a colorful balloon arch. There were lots of creepy carrots, some Pete the cats, a group of pigeons driving a bus, and more. The students are having lots of fun, bringing the book characters to life, and they can't wait to read more books.
Because it helps you learn a lot.
About 20 books were represented in the parade. At Hilton and Island Early Childhood Center, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.